Hi friends, I have finished my latest project and I'm super excited about it. I'm going to go ahead and do a flip through for you. This is the project that I've been working on and I call it So the Adventure Begins. And it is an altered book. And I took the book, emptied out a bunch of pages, and then added in my own. These were some die cuts that I got in a kit that I had bought at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. And then this that says, So the Adventure Begins, I got from a calendar that I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby. So I thought that was perfect for the cover. Now on the side here, these are my first, I don't even know what we call these little baubles, but these are the first ones that I've ever put on one of my books, and I was excited to do it. So I've got one, here's a braided leather strand, and there's a little tiny anchor on it. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, this one's got some beads, and then this one has a key, and this is another anchor. This one is silver. Again, I don't know if you can see it, I can't tell. And then just a nice blue bead on this lavender thread. Now I've done this project for Studio28E. It's the first digital kit that I've ever used. I was really excited about that. 95% of what's in this book is from the digital kit. If you see any black and white photos, and I'll point them out inside, those are not from the kit. Those I actually took out of a book about Aristotle Onassis, and they're perfect because he had a boat, a yacht, that he called the Christine, and he loved spending time on it. So I used some of those photos in here because it just went so well together with the theme that's inside. So here's our first page, and this mermaid paper on the outside is scrapbook paper that I already had. This is from the kit, as is this, and this paper. This comes from my calendar. Now this is space here that you can use for journaling, and even here. Almost everything on this page is from the kit. These cards I picked up on clearance, but this and this is from the kit, as is this little tuck. And you can journal on the back of that. Right, so this is a pretty clean page, and this is from the kit, and this is from the kit, but this is from an antique print that I found, and I loved it so much, and I knew immediately that it would match with this theme, so that's why it's in here. And you can journal on this page, and you can actually journal over top of this. I took these out of the Aristotle Onassis book and put them in these paper bags, but this and this is from the kit, as are these wonderful journaling tucks. Look at how beautiful that is, and that's from the kit, and so is the back of it. I don't know if you can see it, but I just think these are beautiful. Lots of space to journal there. I did use some duct tape. I thought that this color duct tape was just perfect to use here and there throughout the book. Now, we've got a nice big pocket coming up. So I'm going to do this and open this up and take this out. And now I'm going to put down my big book and I'm going to show you this. So all of this, everything in here is from the kit, even the cover. So here we go. Lots of journaling space on these pages. And this one, even though it's a little darker, it too has lines on it, so you can journal on every single page in here. I have put it back in its secret pocket there. This was from the mermaid paper pack, so not from the kit, but all of this is from the kit. This is also from a different die cut thing. So this Beautiful from the kit, and a little space for journaling on the back. Little die cut from the kit with journaling space. And then this was just some mermaid paper. So I love that this was a window envelope right here, and you can see through it, and you can see some mermaid scales. So now I'll put all these little tucks back in here. All right, so here's what I love about this page. Again, we have a window envelope, and we have a little belt here that I put in with some gold ribbon, I guess. But here's what I love about this page, and I was just dying to do this. If you see this tuck, you pull it out, the same picture is there. I really wanted to create a tuck that when I put it in, it was the same picture. And I absolutely love that I did that. And on the back is all of this is from the kit, which is wonderful. And then here's another journaling space right here. Here we have a beautiful tuck with the writing space on the back. A nice little quote. Now this, all of this came in the kit except for this and this. This didn't, but everything else did. This could be a standalone journaling tuck. I did adhere it to the page, and I did put index card in here for the lines for journaling, but if I had not adhered it to the page, it could be loose. So on this beautiful page, we've got several tucks. Look at this gorgeous, this is just so I love this. This is beautiful. This gorgeous picture from the kit. And then some journaling space on the back. This too. Burlap. I used some black burlap here. And then just put some journaling tucks in. This one's got the postcard, the index card lines on it. So here I just wanted to give a clean space for lots of journaling. So this actually does have lines on it. Hopefully you can see that. This was a page from the book that I added some embellishment, but I didn't change much. The chapter was called Wind, Sand, and Stars, and I just thought it was so perfect that I decided to keep it in. And then again, clean on this side with another journaling space here as well. So lots of space to journal your thoughts, ideas, plans, trips, what you did on a trip, etc. So this pocket I created using two different types of ribbon, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Here's this beautiful digiprint here, and I added cards, different little journaling tucks here. These open up. Let me see here, I'm trying to juggle it. So anyway, so just these were some scraps from my kit that I had, and I did not want to waste any of it because they're so beautiful. So again, another pocket on this side made out of ribbon, and I did videos on all of how I created all of these pages, so if you were interested you could check them out. So I took a picture from the DigiKit and put it on this card, and of course this opens up and you can write on it, and this was just scraps that I had. So, and then this right here is actually the page of the book, and I liked it, so I left it exposed. I created a little journaling tuck out of a page from the book, and then I just have some scraps. This was obviously from the mermaid paper that I had, but this is from the kit. Nice big scrap. I had actually printed out a few extra pages so that I would have, you know, extra to just use however I wanted, and they're working out great for little journaling tucks. All right, so earlier on one of the earlier pages you saw one of these cute little cards that open up this way. I added the index card to it, but what I wanted to show you was not only does it have a pretty picture on the front, but it's got a pretty picture on the back. So remember the one a few pages back with the fish on it? It too had a pretty picture on the back. So this one I left loose, and I just have some journaling tucks here. Here's one very simple. I just put this picture on the back of a card. This, it was from a bag, a little bag, probably like a party favor bag, and so I just created a little space for journal tucks. All right, so I love this page so much. It has the look of burlap, and then I actually used burlap, so I'm so excited about that. I think that's fantastic. These are silverware holders. I cut the top off of it to make this one. So I've got the little journaling tuck here. On the back, there is space to write, and it goes right in there, and then same over here. So this is a print from the kit, and this is not, but I really love that it just, I don't know, I felt like it went well together. It just looked cool, so I added that. And then here, I'm really proud of this next one. So, okay, hold on, before I go there, this one's from the kit, but this is from that Onassis book, and I cut it out and adhered it. So we open our little card here. Again, a photo from the Onassis book, but then that's part of the kit. And then we open this. So I actually created this using 2 cards. And so lots of journaling space there. Lots of space to journal. These are photos from the book, but this is the kit. All of this is from the kit. I created this little pocket using my gold duct tape and my goldish pinkish, I think you call it rick-rack. And then here we have a nice, this is beautiful, space for journaling here. This was just some spare paper that I had, but it was perfect color, so I thought that would be great for journaling. And then this gorgeous, was a print from the kit. I cut it out and put it on some board from my recycling bin, and then put space, of course, on the back for journaling. And here's our little pocket. And that's it. That's our book. I hope you enjoyed going through this book with me. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'm excited to do my next one, of course. I'm always looking forward. I appreciate you spending time with me today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.